Hi everyone, so finally the CSIR has released the final answer key with all the upgradation in the answers. So you can check your final answer keys from the official site. I've also uploaded the same on our Telegram channel. You can search Botany Insider and check it over there. In addition, make sure to check all your answers properly because now they have given the final answer key. So it's like we'll get the final results very soon, and we'll get all the scorecards and everything, cut off and everything in a week maximum. So make sure to get your final answer keys and get your scores revised. This is the new update. We have received it late night yesterday. So make sure to go to the official site and check your final scorecards, and also to check that what your final score marks are. If you feel like that you will be qualifying, so make sure to wait for the results, but if not, make sure to start preparing for the next attempt very nicely. We have a full course, we have a crash course, and we have a previous year question course starting on 23rd. The crash course and the full course are ongoing. All the details of everything are in the description box, and you can WhatsApp us as well on our WhatsApp number as given. In addition, you can download our application and get yourself the information for the various courses, right? So this is the quick update for you all. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Take care, everyone.